Hi everyone. Today I want to share how positive relationships have impacted my life, focusing on the principles of positive psychology. I'll be talking about my experience with my friends, mother, father, and cousins. Pagkagising ko sa umaga, ang una kong ginagawa ay ang pagtupi ng kumot at paglagay ng unan sa aking bandang uluhan. Dahil dito, napapanatili kong maliwalas ang aking higaan. Minsan, kapag may oras at walang pasok, ang ginagawa ko ay maaga akong gumigising at agad na nagsasapatos. Pupunta ako sa aking kaibigan para ayain itong mag-jogging. Sa pamamarang ito, mas napapanatili namin ang malusog na katawan. Positive relationships with friends. My friends are constant source of positive emotion. We support each other through thick and thin. Remember that time we aced that exam? That shared accomplishment boosted our confidence and strengthened our bond. Their unwavering beliefs in me is a testament to the power of positive relationships. It's the kind of social support that fuels resilience.
Hey guys, today andito po pala ako sa Verac para puntahan ang aking mother. Pa! Ma! Dito kasi nagtrabaho ang mother. Oh!
Positive relationship with my mother. My mom embodies unconditional love and acceptance. Her guidance and wisdom serve as a powerful source of meaning and purpose in my life. She is always there to celebrate my victories and comfort me during setbacks. Her endless gratitude and optimism are incredibly inspiring. Ang mama ko po ay nagtatrabaho sa aming kamag-anak. Ang trabaho niya po ay nag-aalaga ng dalawang aking pinsan. Dahil po sa kanyang trabaho ay nakakapag-aral po ako. Dahil din po sa trabaho ng papa ko na construction worker ay nakalagdag din po ito sa aking pag-aaral. Kaya sobrang thankful po ako sa aking mga magulang.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye Buling-ling! May nakama! So, hey guys! Ngayon po ay papunta po ako dun sa pinagtatrabahuan ni Papa at susunduin ko na po siya dahil malapit na po silang mag-out sa kanilang trabaho.
Positive relationship with my father. My dad's strong work ethic and dedication to our family set a positive example for me. His calm demeanor and ability to handle pressure are a source of strength. He's taught me to the value of perseverance and resilience in all areas of life. I've also learned the importance of meaning and purpose from him. His dedication to his passion shows me the strength of flow. Ang relationship ko sa father ko ay sobrang close namin ng sobra. Sa sobrang close namin ay may halin tulad mo lang kami sa isang magtropa or mas higit pa. Siya yung tipo ng taong nakakwentuhan ko ng aking problema at kahit ano pang bagay sa aking buhay. Bilang isang anak, sobrang mahal ko ang aking mga magulang na sa sobrang pagmamahal ko sa kanila ay nagpupursige akong makatapos para makabawi sa kanila. One key concept in positive psychology is the importance of nurturing positive relationships. My relationship with my girlfriend is a huge source of happiness and well-being in life. We actively work on creating a safe space for open communication, mutual respect, and support for each other's dreams. We prioritize quality time together and offer each other unconditional love and acceptance. A core aspect of this understanding and appreciating each other's strengths and
Ayun na po
weaknesses.
guys, mamaya
We
na mga 10 na
celebrate
lang po
each
guys.
other's success and also offer support during challenges. Ang relationship ko ngayon sa aking girlfriend ay masasabi ko namang okay dahil nagsasama naman kami ng maayos, nagkakaintindihan at nagsusuportahan sa bawat gusto ng bawat isa. Mahal din namin ang bawat isa. Hindi naman sa lahat ng oras ay okay kami dahil dumaraan din kami sa oras ng problema. At dahil sa problema na yun, sinusubok ang aming relasyon. Pero dahil din sa problemang iyon ay mas lalong tumatatag ang aming relasyon. Masasabi ko lang ay sobrang mahal ko ang aking girlfriend. Through these positive relationships, I've witnessed firsthand how positive psychology translates into real-life experience. This connection provides support, meaning, and a sense of belonging, shaping me into a happier, more resilient person. They are an integral part of my well-being, demonstrating the profound impact of strong positive relationships on positive emotion. My gratitude for this relationship is immense.